Now my wife just purchased this beard trimmer. It's in a nice little case. Let me just take it out. And I've used it a few times, but I've actually got caught out. The old one I had, the battery had run out, and so my wife bought me this one. Now if you look very carefully here, this will adjust the amount of trim on your beard. You can see it's moving in and out there. Now you can set it to, you can see the numbers there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, keep going around. Now one of the problems you might have, that's very important, is that when you set it to, let's say, number 3, then you need to flip this little button or lever, push it up, and that now locks it in place. Now if it's not locked in place, the next time you come along to cut your beard, you might accidentally move it. And I just got caught out. It was actually moved down to 1.5, and I started trimming my beard, and of course I trimmed off rather more than I should have. So the important part here is when you set it to whatever you want, make sure that you flick this up, and that then locks it in place. As simple as that. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.